When every second counts, trust Ocean Signal's M200 to guide rescuers to you. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, the M200 delivers powerful distress signals for maximum visibility, giving you the best chance of a fast rescue. To keep your M200 secure, use the cord provided. Pass it through the attachment points on the back of the unit as shown in the instructions. Adjust the cord so both sides are even, leaving about 10 centimeters or 4 inches at one end. This keeps the antenna winder safely fastened and prevents accidental loss. Carefully tie a firm knot with both strands of the cord, making sure they are secure. As you tighten the knot, leave roughly 10 centimeters or about 4 inches of extra cord at one end. This extra length ensures proper fit and added security. Take the short end of the cord and carefully pass it through the opening on the antenna winder. Make sure it sits flat and isn't twisted. Then, form a figure-of-8 shape with the cord and slowly tighten it down into a secure knot. Check that the knot is firm and stable before moving on. Pass the activation tape through the center slot. Be sure it lies flat between the small protrusions. Next, place the front section on top and press both halves firmly together. This locks the tape securely in place, and the activation slider is now ready to be assembled onto the M200. Feed the antenna winder through the hole at the top of the M200. Rotate the winder anti-clockwise. Without removing the tool, guide the activation slider back into place between the two arming retainers, keeping the tether clear. Deactivate the M200. Remove the winder. Open your life jacket fully and prepare to attach the oral tube bracket. Slide the bracket onto the oral inflation tube, positioning it as low down the tube as possible to ensure a secure and stable fit. Fold the bladder behind the oral tube in accordance with the life jacket manufacturer's instructions. Rest the M200 on the mounting bracket and pass the free end of the activation tape around the rear side of the bladder, taking care not to twist the tape. Clip the M200 into the mounting bracket, taking care not to trap any loose tape. Feed the free end of the tape up through the innermost slot on the side of the oral tube bracket. Loop the emerging tape over the attachment point and feed back up through the outermost slot. Feed the tape back down through the innermost slot so that it emerges at the same point where it originally entered. Pull the free end of the tape so that the bladder is able to inflate and remains folded in accordance with the life jacket manufacturer's instructions. Now that the M200 is properly installed, take the remaining length of the attachment lanyard and tie it off with a strong, secure knot. Be sure to fasten it to a solid fixed point inside the life jacket. The tether must be positioned so it stays clear and does not obstruct or interfere with the life jacket's inflation system. To learn more, please visit oceansignal.com.